Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam not connecting when your internet works. Sometimes Steam may display connection errors even though your internet connection is working perfectly fine. This can happen because Steam's servers are temporarily down, your computer is using incorrect proxy settings, or your network cache contains outdated information that prevents Steam from communicating properly with its servers. Fortunately, there are several methods you can try to restore the connection. The first, check whether Steam servers are currently working. Open your web browser and visit steam.us. This website shows the real-time status of Steam services, including the Steam Store, Steam Community, and connection servers. If Steam servers are experiencing an outage or maintenance, the problem is not with your computer or internet connection. In that case, you simply need to wait until Steam servers are back online. If the Steam servers are operating normally, the next step is to check your Windows proxy settings. Open System Settings and navigate to Network and Internet/Proxy. Under the Automatic Proxy Setup section, locate the option Automatically Detect Settings. Turn this option off. Sometimes Windows may attempt to use automatic proxy configurations that are incorrect or unnecessary, which can interfere with applications like Steam from establishing a proper connection. After disabling the proxy setting, try opening Steam again and see if the issue is resolved. If Steam still fails to connect, the next step is to clear your computer's DNS cache. Open Command Prompt, CMD. You can do this by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar. Type the following command, ipconfig/flushdns. Then press Enter. This command removes old or corrupted DNS records stored on your computer and forces Windows to request fresh network information. This can fix situations where Steam is trying to connect using outdated or incorrect server address information. Once the command is completed, restart Steam and check whether it can connect successfully. It is important to understand that Steam connection problems can have several causes, including temporary Steam server outages, incorrect proxy settings, corrupted DNS cache, firewall or antivirus restrictions, router or internet configuration issues, temporary Steam client glitches. A common mistake many users make is repeatedly reinstalling Steam before checking whether Steam servers are actually down. Another common mistake is changing multiple network settings at once, making it difficult to identify what actually fixed the problem. To summarize, fixing Steam not connecting when your internet works starts by checking steam.us to make sure Steam servers are online. If they are working, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Proxy, and turn off Automatically Detect Settings. Finally, open Command Prompt and run ipconfig/flushdns to refresh your network cache. These steps can solve many common connection issues and get Steam back online. And that's how to fix Steam not connecting even though your internet is working. By checking Steam server status, correcting your proxy settings, and clearing your DNS cache, you can resolve many common connection problems without needing to reinstall Steam or change your entire network setup. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.